Welcome to the All the Tricks collection from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create a variety of quick essential session techniques, featuring tricks with irons and tongs to broaden your editorial hairdressing skills. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Callum Warrington demonstrates an editorial take on straightening hair and how to refine and enhance the finished blow-dry with various fringe effects. Callum continues in Lesson 2 as he shows you how to create a perfect flat wave look with specific positioning techniques. Lesson 3 outlines a soft, loose and feminine look with movement and volume that is essentially editorial, again from Callum Warrington. In Lesson 4, Callum demonstrates how to create a perfect editorial curly look with specific and random positioning techniques. And finally, in Lesson 5, John Vial guides you through a classic, quick tong set and sectioning pattern. As a bonus, we have included a second look where John works with a simple ponytail base and a 40s round reverse fringe section. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the All the Tricks collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the All the Tricks collection now only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.